What's going on, guys? My name is Chad with Vertex. Today we're taking a closer look at the Urban Ghost DOPP Kit. Now, it's a small bag, but don't let the size fool you. This thing has some serious utility built in. Part of Vertex's Urban Ghost lineup, so same deal. You know, the smart organization, discreet carry, no wasted space. So let's dig in. Now, on paper, this is essentially a toiletries bag. Like, obviously it handles that job well, but truly it's built to do a lot more than that. Think toiletries, tools, chargers, EDC gear, even range gear if you want. Whatever you can throw at this thing, it's ready to organize it. Now, inside you have multiple storage pockets. So let me open up both of these main zippers here and you can see what the inside looks like. We've got elastic retention slots, we've got dump pockets, plus this big transparent mesh pocket with a zipper, so you can actually see what's inside there at first glance. The elastic organization bands on this side are designed to hold stuff like your flashlights, your multi-tools, knives, chargers, magazines, any of that stuff nice and secure. And then there's an internal key lanyard attachment so your keys stop disappearing at the bottom of your bag. But one of my favorite features is that on the back here there is a tuck-away little hanger strap. You can hang this thing up in a hotel bathroom, in a locker room, or wherever you're staging your gear for the day, and then just have quick access to everything all at once. There's multiple grab handles, one on each side as well as one on the back to make it easy to grab and move on the fly. There's also a concealed exterior zipper here on the front for anything that you want quick access to without, opening up the whole thing and getting into it all. Now, of course, this thing runs great on its own, or you can lock it right into your larger Urban Ghost pack if you're running the full setup. Fabric-wise, it is built from the same lightweight ripstop as the rest of the series, so it's very durable. It's super easy to clean, easy to maintain. It's built to be used, man. The inside of this has a lighter color, and that's also on purpose because, if you're in low light, you can always see what you're getting into. Good high quality YKK zippers, so they'll hold up trip after trip. This thing is just meant to be used. At the end of the day, it is a small bag with one job. Keep your gear organized, make it accessible, but don't make a scene doing it. So if you want to see more information on the new Urban Ghost DOPP Kit, head over to the website and see the rest of the Urban Ghost line as well. But that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.